So, addition and subtraction are kind of like best friends and or opposites, okay? They go together. That's a group. Okay, and then the multiplication and division go together. That's a whole other group. Okay, so if you see addition, then you need to do subtraction. Okay, if you see multiplication, then you need to do division. Okay, and so on. So if we look at this first one, we're trying to solve for what letter? K. Okay, so everything that's on K's side needs to be moved. Okay, and by side I mean an equal sign is kind of, and I've seen teachers teach it where they put the line down. Okay, everything needs to be moved off his side. So I have a -2. So what do I need to do? Add 2. Okay, so we never ever move the variable. So you're going to say +2. And if you do it to one side, you have to do it to the other side. So you're going to say +2. What is -2 + 2? 0. That's how it cancels, okay? So this is 0 and or it cancels, and you're left with K on that side. There's nothing else over here except for a K. What is -5 + 2? -3. Okay, now, you can go back in and plug in -3. Okay, what should you get on this side? If you plugged in -3, what should you get? -5. It should say -5 equals -5. I don't make people plug it back in. However, you have to show your work. You're ready to hear me. It's not optional. Even if you know how to do it in your head, you gotta show your work. I don't want to hear it. Okay? Because I'm well aware that you can take a picture of it and it will give you an answer online. You guys know that, I know that, right? You have to show your work. It's not optional. Okay? I don't want to hear no complaining. It's like 2 things you gotta write, so suck it up. Okay, m + 1 = 8. What needs moved? The 1. Okay, I have a +1, so I need to do what? -1. Okay, 8 - 1. Yeah, hold on. It's for you. M = 7. Okay, 17 + n = 29. What needs moved? 17. How do we move it? Yeah. Okay, if you do it to one side, you got to do it to the other side. What is 29 - 17?
You know what? I'll just go down to 7. Yeah, I'll just, because there's tons of testers in there.
Okay, x - 13. What needs moved? The 13. How do I move it?
Okay.
So we're going to say +13. Okay, if you do it to one side, you need to do it to the other side. I hate to say this, but for probably 50% of you, you need to be using a calculator instead of, okay? Because you're working with negatives and positives, some of you guys are going to screw it up, okay? So, -18 + 13, -5. Okay, x over 4 = 10. What does x over 4 mean? It means divide. So you need to multiply by what? 4. Okay? So you say times 4 on one side, times 4 on the other side. Okay, and so these 4's cancel. You got x equals what? 40. $11, I got 19r = -304. What does 19r mean? It means 19 times r. Okay, so that's multiply, so what do we need to do then? Divide by what? 19. So you're going to say, you can say divided by 19, divided by 19. Okay, and if you think about this, what is 19 divided by 19? 1. Okay, and so you have 1r, which is really the same thing as r. Okay? Negative 304 divided by 19. Don't ask me, 'cause I don't know. Negative 16, somebody agree?
I agree.
Okay. Can I scroll? Okay, 13. I got x over 10 equals negative 3. What is the x over 10? It's division, so you need to do what? Multiply by 10. X equals what? It is. Quit second guessing yourself. Negative 3m equals 51. What does that mean, negative 3m? It means multiply, so you need to do what? Divide. That's 1. You better put that dang phone up. Okay, so it's multiply, so you need to do what? Divide by what? Come again? Negative 3. What is negative 51 divided by negative 3?
17.
17? That's what we're going with? Negative 17? I don't care, it's your guys' paper. Um, 6x equals 6. What does that mean?
Multiply.
Multiply, so you need to do what? Divide by 6. What is 6 divided by 6? 1. A equals 80. What we need to do?
Divide the 8.
Divide by 8. A equals what? 10. Negative 7 plus b. What do you need to do? Add 7. Negative 18 plus 7.
Negative 11.
N over 13 equals 5. What do you need to do?
Multiply the 14.
Times 13. What is 5 times 13?
65.
Somebody agree? Okay, real quick before I forget, look at number 4. What does a minus minus mean? It really means add. So your equation really looks like, and you can write it right now, b plus 20 equals 14. Okay, your equation really looks like b plus 20 equals 14. Okay, and then solve from there. Okay, it should say b plus 20 equals 14. You guys have 12 to do, okay, get them done. Please put your